Hello friends, today we are going to solve exercise number 8 from Not for Profit Concern. Jeevan Jyoti Art Circle, a newly established concern, has presented the following information. Receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2018 is given to us. That means 2017-18 is the current year. At last, we have been asked to show income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So we will prepare the format of income and expenditure account. As we know that in income and expenditure account, only the transactions of current year are recorded. On receipt side, first item is admission fees. This item will be recorded on income side of income and expenditure account. Then to subscription, there is the adjustment on this item, so we will record its amount on inner column of income side on income and expenditure account. Next is donations. On same side, that is on income side of income and expenditure account, this item we will record. Then payment side. First item, buy furniture. It's the asset for the business, hence will be recorded on asset side of balance sheet. Its amount will be written on inner column as there is the adjustment. Next is stationery. It's the expenditure for the business, hence it will be recorded on expenditure side of income and expenditure account, that is on debit side. By office rent, rupees 2600, it will be written to debit side of income and expenditure account, that is the expenditure side. By newspaper and periodicals, again it is the expenditure, hence will be recorded on debit side of income and expenditure account. Debit side of income and expenditure account shows the side of expenses. Credit side shows the side of incomes. Next, by telephone expenses, it will be recorded on expenditure side, that is on debit side of income and expenditure account by rupees 560. Next is by investment. It's the asset for the business. It will be recorded on asset side by rupees 23,000. Next, by balance carried down. Closing balance is given to us. We will write these balances to asset side as it is. Cash in hand 7,540. Cash at bank 30,000. Will be written on asset side. Now let's proceed towards adjustments. First adjustment, outstanding subscription for the year was rupees 5,000. See, in receipt and payment account, subscription is provided by rupees 40,000. Subscription is the income, hence we have recorded it on income side of income and expenditure account, that is on credit side. So current year subscription is outstanding, that's why we will add this 5,000 to subscription, that is 40,000 plus 5,000. Total amount of subscription will appear on outer column will be 45,000. Remember that it is the current year subscription, that's why we are adding it to income and expenditure account. Second effect will be given to asset side as outstanding subscription rupees 5,000. Next adjustment is depreciate furniture at 10% per annum. In receipt and payment account, on payment side, furniture is provided with rupees 12,000. So we will charge 10% of 12,000. It will be 1,200. This amount will be deducted from asset side in balance sheet. Furniture depreciation 1,200 will be deducted and remaining amount will appear on outer column, that will be 10,800. Second effect, as such depreciation is the loss for the firm, that's why it will be recorded on expenditure side of income and expenditure account by rupees 1,200. Then last adjustment, full amount of admission fees and 50% donations are to be capitalized. On receipt side, admission fees is given rupees 22,000. We are going to capitalize it fully, that means full amount will be added to the amount of capital. In this question there is no amount of capital, that's why we will create the amount of capital by adding admission fees and donations. So 22,000 full amount will be capitalized of admission fees and 50% of donations will be capitalized, that is 50% of 18,000, it will be 9,000. By this way we will create the amount of capital as 22,000 plus 9,000, it will be 31,000. Here is the solution of this exercise. It's our income and expenditure account for the year 2017-18, that is our current year. The debit side will show expenditure side, credit side will show income side. On debit side, first item is stationery, rupees 4,000, office rent, rupees 2,600, to newspaper and periodicals, rupees 300, to telephone expenses, rupees 560. Then further we charged depreciation on furniture at 10%. So 10% of 12,000, that is 1,200, we deducted it from furniture, and second effect is given to debit side of income and expenditure account. Then have a look on credit side of income and expenditure account. On credit side we wrote admission fees, it is the income. In adjustment we have been asked to capitalize full amount of admission fees, that's why we deducted full amount and added to capital fund. On outer column remaining amount will be nil. Next item, subscription. In receipt and payment account the amount was given as 40,000 and outstanding subscription we added by rupees 5,000. Total amount will be for the year 45,000. Next, by donation of rupees 18,000, out of these donations we capitalize 50% amount. Hence remaining 50% will appear here and 9,000 will be added to capital fund. At last we closed income and expenditure account by doing the total. Here income side is greater than expenditure side. Total is 54,000. We deducted expenditures from our income, we got the amount 45,340. This amount will be our surplus, that is the excess of incomes over the expenditure. So this surplus will be added to capital fund. Then this is the balance sheet. On liability side, first item is written as capital fund. No amount is given, that's why we wrote nil. Then we capitalize full amount of admission fees and 50% amount of donations. That's why we created the amount of capital fund by adding admission fees and donations. It is 31,000. At last, in income and expenditure account, we found surplus. So we added this same surplus to our capital fund. Now the total amount of capital fund is 76,340. Then on asset side, first item is furniture. We charge 10% depreciation. Remaining amount of furniture will be 10,800. Then next item is investments by rupees 23,000. Cash in hand 7,540. Cash at bank 30,000. And at last, as per the adjustment, we wrote second effect of subscription on asset side as outstanding subscription by rupees 5,000. At last we will have to do the total. It will get tallied by rupees 76,340. This is our solution of exercise number 8. If you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. Thank you.